Why is this small Greek island called the place where fat disappears? The mystery of the world's thinnest city. Harvard researcher says, we finally know why these islanders eat more fatty food than Americans yet stay slim well into their 90s. Now we can help thousands lose weight without traditional diets or exercise. This island's secret is a unique enzyme found in their local food. Now this American doctor has discovered how to force your body to produce this miraculous thinning substance. Did you know? By eating foods that when combined and eaten at night produce large amounts of this natural thinning enzyme. Did you know? We are being lied to by the mainstream media. Forget deprivation diets. They never work. Oprah is still fat. Oz was born skinny. Let's get real. The secret for the rest of us is eating these enzyme-triggering delicious fatty foods. Let God's natural weight loss agent do its job. Did you know? Combining certain delicious fatty foods makes this enzyme work, no matter where you live. These are foods that were once forbidden. Doctors hate this advice.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
Makes them feel stupid. But they can't argue with the results. Patients look younger, thinner, and feel fantastic. You only have 9 months to live. In 1959, Stamatis Mouritis was in his mid-30s. He was living in a beautiful community in Boynton Beach, Florida. He and his wife Simone had 3 wonderful children. A big 3-bedroom house. A successful business. They were the picture of the American dream. A dream that in a matter of weeks turned into an American nightmare. Stamatis came down with what he thought was a bad cold. His cough wouldn't go away. It kept him up at night. Simone urged him to go see a doctor. The news he delivered that day was soul-crushing. He was given a death sentence by his doctor. Terminal lung cancer. He was given just 9 months to live. Stamatis' story thankfully didn't end there. He did something most of us would never dream of doing. And then he did something that changed everything. So what did he do? He simply went home. Home to a little island off the coast of Greece where he spent the first 23 years of his life. What is the secret of this little Grecian island? While not quite a universal treatment for cancer, this little island has its fair share of miracle stories. And until recently, the land was shrouded in mystery. It's a remarkable place that the New York Times calls the island where people forget to die. Other publications call it the land where fat vanishes. The island of the forever thin. The island of youth. A real-world fantasy island. The nicknames for this obscure island off the coast of Greece all center around its almost magical powers of health, healing and vitality. What's important, however, is not where this island is but something in the island's native foods might possibly be able to turn around your health and your life. University of Athens cardiologist Christina Chrysohou studied the diet and lifestyle of these islanders for years. But it wasn't until recent research into one particular enzyme from a team far away in Denmark that this island's mystery revealed itself. Their bodies produce extraordinary amounts of a unique fat metabolizing enzyme.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.